KSC presents some recipes for whitening dark spots under the arms. 1. Apple cider vinegar plus baking soda. What you need: 2 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoon baking soda. What you should do: mix the apple cider vinegar with the baking soda. It should start bubbling. When the bubbles subside, apply the solution to the underarm area and let it dry. Let it stay for a few more minutes and then rinse using cold water and pat dry. How often? Every other day, 3 times a week. 2. Rose water plus baking soda. What you need: rose water and baking soda. What you should do: make a viscous paste by adding rose water to baking soda. Apply this paste to your dark underarms and leave it on for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, wash it off using cold water and pat it dry. How often? Twice a week. 3. Milk plus turmeric plus honey. What you need: 1 teaspoon milk, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon honey. What you should do: mix everything well and apply the paste to your underarms. Let it dry and then rinse. How often? Every other day, 3 times a week. 4. Brown sugar plus olive oil. What you need: 3 teaspoon brown sugar and 2 teaspoon virgin olive oil. What you should do: mix the ingredients well. Use it to scrub your underarms for about 2 minutes and then let it rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, clean your underarms using lukewarm water, and use a soft towel, pat them dry. How often? Twice a week. 5. Almond oil. What you need: a few drops of almond oil. What you should do: use the oil to massage your dark underarm area for about 8 to 10 minutes. How often? Daily. 6. Fuller's Earth plus lemon plus water. What you need: 2 teaspoon Fuller's Earth, 1 teaspoon lemon juice and water. What you should do: mix the 3 ingredients to form a smooth paste. Apply this paste to your underarm area, and let it stay for 15 minutes. Use lukewarm water to rinse it. How often? Twice a week. 7. Potato. What you need: 1 small potato. What you should do: peel and grate the potato. Squeeze the potato to get the juice out. Apply this juice to your underarms. Leave it for 15 minutes and then rinse using cold water. How often? Twice a day, once in the morning and once before going to bed at night. 8. Tea tree oil plus water. What you need: 4 to 5 drops tea tree oil and a cup of water. What you should do: in a spray bottle, pour a cup of water. Add 4 to 5 drops of tea tree oil to it and shake the bottle well to mix. Spray this on your underarms and let it dry. How often? Daily. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.